right, let's get this in the freezer. Pick it up. Okay, it's all in the freezer, so you tuck it in and wait for it to freeze. Perfect. Amazing. Look at that. So it's perfectly frozen. We've got some water, some peanut butter, some treats, all in here. It's really good. Okay, so you're gonna say, what are these cookie cutters in here for? I'm about to show you. It's gonna be amazing. The best part, it lifts perfectly out. And also, look at that. That's why we use parchment paper. So we're stuck in here. Now, one piece. Okay, we're breaking into pieces now. Okay, look. Okay, but we've got little pieces for our doggy treats. So I would put these on the side. Oh, so fun. Little dog treats. Let's see if we got this one. Yep. Look at that. Perfect. So look at all these little cute bark pieces we have. Break some pieces off. Pumpkins out. Leaves out. Okay, I'm just breaking it. Good. These little yummy little doggy treats you've got prepped already. So much easier to give them fun treats because it's ice. What dog doesn't love ice and peanut butter? So you're giving them it at the same time, which is really exciting. Okay, so we put all our pieces to the side. And really what you want is this bark, doggy bark. Finger in there, you're gonna pop it. Look at that. Doggy treat leaf. Let's push this one. So you just take your fingers, push through the center. Yep, look at that. Doggy turkey in this tree. Make sure you're pushing through the center. Pushing, pushing, lift off. Look at that Christmas tree. Pushing through the center. Gingerbread man. Pushing through the center. Squirrel. Got it. Look at that. Turkey. Again, finding your center, holding onto the cookie cutter. Star. Pushing through that pumpkin. Found the pumpkin. Look at that. I think my favorite one is probably this leaf. That leaf looks Take a plate. And you can set these out if you're having a dog party, or you can put these back in the freezer like this. But don't these look absolutely incredible? I think so. So they're little doggy treats in the shapes of Thanksgiving things and holidays, because we got Christmas trees, squirrels, pumpkins. I just think these are so cool.